Get the signs down.
I think we moved in just minutes after we left.
They're quick. Nice. Oh my gosh, boy, it's tore up down here again.
Full?
No, your window's not defrosting. It's still thundering again. Oh my goodness. That was so freaky. I couldn't get my tanning bed vent salon on fire and then spraying it. Good Lord Jesus.
Lift that light.
Oh my gosh, I hope it didn't fall on the car. Jimmy?
What?
Go on up.
I am making sure nobody's getting across first.
Well, we got a light missing there completely, huh? Don't sound like it's done either.
Get everybody else in.
Oh my goodness. I guess we're just gonna let the police escort each lanes. Oh my gosh.
That's where the worst place has been was all the connected ones.
It done hit bug, it's done tore us up. Well, there ain't no power.
Put that sign up there.
See these? That's why you have to have high heat for a defroster. Power up here. Maybe we have power at the house. Hopefully our house is okay. God, this was a nightmare.
Wow.
I hope I still have a patio set, I can tell you that. Watch out. He turned. Well, just in case then another one hits.
Yeah.
Come on, cars, don't act stupid. Do you see this? please, God, let my house be okay and my electricity not be out. Good Lord. You can't even go to a restaurant to get food. Holy crap, did you see that lightning? It ain't even done yet. Doesn't mean we do. Up here will have it when we don't. These lights don't. Run generators, you're forgetting. They can have a generator. That's the thing. Oh my goodness, look at the stove. Oh my God, the trees are down. The fence is just wiped out. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, please let my house be okay. Our road don't look good, that's for sure. Okay, come on, let my house be alright. Oh my God. We don't got power, I can tell you. We absolutely do not have power. You can already tell. Oh look, my light is blown out. Look.
Oh yeah. Cable gone.
I can't. The table isn't even flipped. The gutter's off my house. Get your son. Crap. My gutter's plumb off my house. The grill, oh my God. Get him inside. Oh my God, Jimmy, these trees have broken. We have got a mess.